How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video here. This video is for all you guys out there that think I have every tool that there is, and I don't. I really don't have any of these quick clamps, and just picked these up the other day because we got the big build coming with the box trailer. We're going to be turning it, converting it into a camper, and I thought maybe these would come handy for the build. Most of my tools in my garage are metal tools. I don't have a lot of woodworking tools, so I figured I'd go ahead and pick up a few of these clamps and give them a try. I thought they would come in handy. Now, I went to Lowe's, picked these guys up at Lowe's, and they wanted 20 bucks for 2 of them, or I could get 4 of them, a 4-pack. They're 2 6-inch, 2 12-inch. Quick grip clamps. So I figured I'd pick these up for $25. So, you know, an extra $5, I got 2 more clamps, which are pretty cool. Now, we're going to go ahead and take them out of here and see what these guys look like. I really never used these things too much before, so this will be new for me. I noticed a lot of the reviews that I seen people doing to these, they had a lot of problems opening up this pack. Now, if you have a nice sharp razor blade, you could do the same thing I'm doing right here. Just work your way right around this box, and you'll find out how easy this box is to get open. They're not that hard to get open. All you got to do is take your razor blade, go right around the outside edge of it, and then you can open it right up. That wasn't that hard. You just got to have a good sharp razor blade when you go to open it up. Don't fight that plastic, get your razor blade. So we ended up with 4 of these guys. Now, what I liked about these clamps is I noticed in that when I was in at Lowe's, they had a lot of attachments to these guys. A lot of different attachments. You could make your jaws a little bigger. You can make these bigger. You can actually extend onto these and make them longer. You just take them apart. They're not a real heavy clamp. I think they're going to do the job for what I'm doing in that camper build. I think they're actually going to be a pretty good little clamp. So I wanted to share this with you guys and tell you that I do not have all the tools that they make. I don't have them. And a couple people said they'd like to have the tools like I do. Now listen, a lot of tools you get out there, some people give tools away. So you just have to talk to people and get around. Because tools are there and they're not expensive if you can find them in the right place. Go to flea markets, go to yard sales, talk to people. If somebody passes away, sometimes they'll sell all their tools. You know, ask them what they're going to do with the tools that the gentleman had. I know that don't sound great, but you know, they don't keep them tools, and if nobody wants them, why throw them in the garbage? You know, so a lot of people will throw tools away. Trust me, I know that for a fact. But I wanted to share these clamps with you guys. I do think they're going to be pretty nice. I think that for our project, these are going to be sweet little clamps. And you guys seen the little tool, the Craig jig I just bought. I think these will come in handy even for some of the work that I might be using on the Craig jig. Because we're going to be building our own cabinets. Everything's going to be hand built. And I don't want to buy anything because I don't want to buy heavy. I want to keep the weight down on this build. So, got me 4 new clamps. Can never have enough clamps. I may go in and even buy some of the attachments. Or maybe even pick up a few more. Now, I'm just going to give you guys a little close-up of these clamps, how they work. All you have to do is squeeze the trigger, and they get tighter and tighter and tighter until they're nice and tight. Now they're supposed to have, I forget how many pounds of pressure, 140 pounds on this thing. So there's 140 pound pressure between these. And to release them, all you have to do is push this little lever back and pull your thing back. So, and then tighten them down. Now if you don't want to squeeze them all the way down, you can just push them down on it and give it one little crank. And that's pretty tight actually. So they're not really hard to use. Pretty cool little tool to have in the garage. I guarantee you, you'll use them. Clamps, I use them so much, it's unreal. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my little video on the clamps. So Don't forget to subscribe, leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Till next time.